guys, welcome back to the channel. You got your girl, Purple, and I'm in baby O's room, y'all. I'm in baby Orlando's room. Baby O is in the living room. He has taken over the TV watching his Gracie. So I decided to sneak into his room and show you guys what I got from Temu, y'all. Let me show you. Okay, Rollies, here is my package from Temu, y'all. I got a big package this time. If you want to save on your order from Temu, if you are a first-time customer, you can save 30% if you use my code. So I'm gonna put my code somewhere around here, and it will also be in my description box below, as well as everything that I'm about to show you guys will be in my description. So yeah guys, let me grab the scissors. Okay, Whirlies, I'm gonna show y'all what I got in my Temu order, y'all. Like I said, this order is all household goodies, things that you would need for around the house. Now, one item that I'm super overly excited to share with my Rollies, y'all, just wait till I show it to you. You're gonna know which one it is. You're gonna know, because you're gonna go ahead and click the link and buy you one too, because the price is ridiculous. It is ridiculous. And if you're new and you get 30% off, you're practically getting it for free. So let me show y'all what I got. The first thing that I'm gonna show you guys is this veggie slicer. It slices, dices, and grades. So this is gonna help you girl in the kitchen. You guys know that baby Orlando will be exclusively on table food. Now this was only $14.39. And if you need one of these, y'all need one of these, my link will be below. So you can just click on the link and go get you one. The next item, y'all, anybody that knows me knows that I despise, absolutely despise peeling eggs. So this is an egg peeler that was only $3.49, y'all. Y'all see this? It says add water with your boiled egg, snap the top on and shake, and the shell is supposed to slide off. So we're gonna see, y'all, because I boiled some eggs yesterday for a salad that I'm gonna make. So if y'all want to see if this thing really works, drop comments below and I will demonstrate it for you guys in another video and let you know, guys know if it actually works or not. But that is a great price of $3.49. And just think about, if you use my code and you get that 30% off, you're practically getting it for nothing. The next item, y'all, I'm excited about this because this is a stainless steel masher, a potato masher. And it's not one of those little flimsy dimsy ones, y'all. This one is really sturdy, and it's $4.99, and it got some weight to it, y'all. So when I'm in there making mashed potatoes, or I got the avocado, or even the carrots that I'm mashing up for the baby, I'm definitely gonna need a good hand masher, a good potato masher, for $4.99, and it is stainless steel. You can't go wrong with this, y'all. And if you use my code, poof, it's little or nothing. Now my next item, y'all, is the item of the video, y'all. This is the item of the video. I could not believe the price of this, y'all. Let me show you. If you cook, if you got a kitchen, if you eat, you need these. These are general kitchen scissors. Multifunctional kitchen scissors. I want everybody who's watching this video to click the link for these scissors. If you do not buy these scissors, something is wrong with you. Like, come on. Guess how much they was, y'all? Or guess how much they is? 7 cents. 7 cents. 7. Y'all hear the baby in there? He can't even believe that they're 7 cents. And if you use that 30% off code, you can find that change on the ground walking to your car or something. Like, come on. 7 cents? Like, really? 7 cents? So click the link below. I should have all my rollies having a pair of these in their house, a new pair. I'm pretty sure you have a pair, but you can never have enough. And especially that price. Now my last item, y'all, it is for the bathroom. It is a 3-piece set that I got. It was $12.49. And it is the shower curtain, the bath mat, and the toilet cover. And let me show y'all, because I'm in the process of changing out one of my bathrooms, y'all. Because y'all know I've been like changing the whole house around, you know, since I'm divorced now. I did not want the house to look the same. So let me show y'all the design that I picked out. I thought it was cute. And since I'm a mommy, I thought it was very fitting. This is the design that I chose. And I believe this is the rug. I think this is the rug, and I know this is the shower curtain with the rings. But rollies, if you guys want to see this in my bathroom, my new bathroom makeover, comment below and let me know, and I will show you guys once I get it all together. I'll let you guys see the new look in my bathroom, or at least one of my bathrooms. So rollies, give this video a thumbs up. You can give it a thumbs down if you like, but I definitely want you to share this video. Share this video with at least one other person so that they can get, if they don't get anything else, get those multi-purpose scissors for 7 cents. And if they're new, they use my code, they would be embarrassed not to use my code to save that 30%. Like, come on. Come on. So go ahead and share this video. Give the video a thumbs up. Drop comments below. Let me know what y'all thought about the things that I chose for the household goods. Until the next video, y'all. Later!